Good afternoon. I cannot hear your voice.
Why? Good afternoon.
Okay, now I can hear that. Hi, good afternoon, Evo.
Hello.
Hi, Lolly Cute. Hi, Alicia.
Hi.
Hi, Devanka. All right then. Okay, we're going to learn about how to draw still life. Yeah, I need you to prepare your paper, and then where is the pencil? Pencil. I need some pencil. Oh, I cannot have my pencil, so the class is over. Now you can go back because I don't have any pencil. No, I'm kidding. Okay, prepare your pencil, please. 2B pencil like this, the wooden pencil one.
Nothing. Wait, what is it like this?
Yeah, you can use
Oh
that.
my god.
Yeah. By the way, we're going to learn how to synchronize our eyes with the one that we watch. Okay, our eyes with the one that we watch. Sometimes some people have a difficulties on how to draw something in front of them. I want you to use your logical thinking and use your scientific caps. When you draw something, use your eyes. Is it too big or is it too small or is it too wide? Is it too yeah? Okay, we're going to start. Yeah, or is it too skinny or something like that? Okay, I'm going to share screen first with you. We're going to learn something first, okay? I need somebody to help me to read this one.
Still life drawing.
Okay, Ivo.
I know the meaning of still life drawing. I can create one example work of still life drawing. I can create a shadows on my drawing. I can share my knowledge with my friend.
Good job, Ivo. Wow, you learn how to read, yeah, patiently. Okay, this is the thing that in at the bottom part of the word. This one is what we call it still life. When you draw something still life, still mean that something is still, not moving. Okay, not inanimate, not like moving or motion.
Life.
Still life drawing something the items that's still on the table or somewhere.
It's so gold.
Okay, next will be Ruth. Ruth, help me please. Read this one. The pitching, mostly inanimate
subject matter
typically
typically
commonplace
objects which are either natural food, flowers, dead animals, plants, rocks, shells,
etc.
okay,
etc. Okay, or man-made
or man-made drinking glasses, books, vases,
jewelry,
jewelry,
coins, pipes,
pipes,
etc. etc. Yeah, this one we call it etc. etc means many things. Okay, next. All right, we're going to draw the form. Yeah, what is form actually? Form, this one. Kakatia, help me please to read this one.
Long time no see the Panka because she sometimes never join.
Yeah. Okay, Tia, come on, Kakatia, help me to read this one louder.
I know what is the meaning of form. I can draw a form and color it using black and white wooden pencil coloring technique. I will share my knowledge with others.
Thank you so much, Kakak Tia. Thank you so much. That's really cool. Okay, now I need some help from Devanka. Are you there, Devanka?
Yes.
Yes, come on, help me to read this one. What is form?
Is form? A form is an artist's way of using elements of art, principles of design, and media. Form is as an element of art is three-dimensional and encloses space. Like a shape, a form has length and width, but also have depth. Forms are either geometric or free form.
Okay, yeah, this one is a form. See? You see now, right? The difference between shapes and form. Shapes mean like what? Who have any idea? Just tell me directly what is shapes?
2D form,
Yeah, it,
2D shapes, and forms is 3D. Like 3D.
yeah, like
Remember
3D.
when you
Yeah.
told us how to make 3D whatever?
Yeah, that one. Yeah. Now you understand, right? What is the difference between shapes and form? Shape is 3D shapes, means like only having 2D, two-dimensional, means a length and width. But in form, there is a illusional dimension. Now we're going to create a forms, not a shape. Shape is very basic. Last time we create the basic shapes. Okay, we're going to draw something like this. Are you ready? Yeah, we're going to start from the simple one first, or else you will be so confused if you started with the hardest one.
What happened?
Okay, we're going to draw something like this first, but wait, I'm going to stop sharing. Yeah, I'm going to use my...
Draw the egg for because I sometimes make arts in the egg.
Okay, now follow me. This is how you draw a square. All right, ready? First of all, draw one straight line.
Wait, I need a marker.
No. Just use your pencil so that you can erase it. Draw a straight line like this. Ready?
Should I have to do it double times?
No. Just one. It's okay. Mr. Al using double because I...
You want to ruin your paper.
Yeah. And then what else? I forgot actually. Oh yeah, you have to draw. Oh
my gosh, stop. Wait, I need to erase. Oh my god.
okay, draw Y letter like this.
Can you wait? Because I need to erase it and I forgot where my eraser is.
Okay, I'm going to wait then. It's okay. Take your time, get your eraser. Mr. R also needs some eraser here.
It looks like hands up.
Yeah.
I do the clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9,
10.
10.
That doesn't make any sense. So,
Are you ready? Okay, this is the way, one of the way how to draw the cubes. Yeah, draw Y letter like this.
I'm going to flip it.
Ready? And then draw another one here.
I know. So easy and hard at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, now you have to connect this one. Connect this. Oh, this one is like a book.
Using a pencil.
This one is like a book, right?
Yeah, it's kind of like when you are reading.
Okay, we're going to draw another line, this one, on this area.
Draw a book because a long time ago I didn't even know how to draw a book.
Like that.
No, and then this.
Okay, and then after that,
And you just go down. That's it. Easy peasy.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Now
Yeah,
draw another square, yeah? This is how, one of the way how to draw the square also.
First, you're going to eat the lemon.
First, you just draw two lines like this. and then you connect. This is another way how you draw the cubes, like that. Okay, draw another line like this, like so. And then you connect this one.
I'm too panicking. I'm too panicking.
And then another one here.
It's good. Let's erase it.
Yeah.
It's so freaking. What? I already drew this.
Wow, cool. Okay, now you can draw another shapes like cones. If you want to
I
draw.
already made a cupboard.
Okay, I want you to draw the cube. I mean, not the cube. What do you call it with this one? The pipe, yeah?
Yeah, it's
Pipe.
not a. I already make a cone.
Yeah, like this one.
Oh, cylinder. I'm gonna try to make like a 3D heart or something, whatever.
3D cylinder like this one. And then what else? Maybe.
I drew all of the things.
Yeah, cool. And
I
then
gotta
the last one will be the cone.
fix.
Cone is easy peasy lemon squeezy. You just draw the ellipse like this first, and then
Squeezy.
yeah, easy peasy lemon
This
squeezy.
is all that I can do right now. Just don't. Is that cone transparent? My shape isn't transparent.
Yeah, it's okay. You can use your one of. Okay, I will draw another. Not transparent, untransparent.
It's like a party hat.
Cone is a party hat. Yeah. Right now, this is it. We're going to do it very easy peasy lemon squeezy. First of all, you need your pencil and then.
Hold up.
Okay, I will wait for you then, Ivo.
Paper. I need to say something about the A words. I want to make something with the A word. Okay.
Okay, are you ready? Now, let's make the shadows, yeah? First of all, you have to use this pencil and the direction is supposed to be 45 degrees. It has to be there on my right side, there. There, yeah? Go there. So, I want you to shade it like this first.
Why?
Shade it like this.
Why?
It's okay. Try. Don't push it too hard. If you push it too hard, your paper will be broken. It has to be like a little bit like flying. Okay.
You don't have to go too fast because you will fall.
Yeah. Kak, can I borrow some eraser, please?
Like this?
I don't have eraser. Yeah. Yeah, good job, Devanka. Yeah. Come on.
So I color all of the shapes?
Yeah, like color all of the forms, not the shapes anymore. This one is a form.
I'm going to make a thing made out of the thing there. Whatever it is, I forgot what it is.
Something like this, yeah? Right after you're done with this, I want you guys to do it at home. And that will be your homework, yeah? You have to do your homework and then you'll have to show it to me next week. You have a homework.
Tulip now.
Yeah, after this one, next week we're going to draw human eyes, nose, and lips.
No, not a human eyes. It's all eyed for me. Okay.
Okay, just as best as you can, try to color your form, not too light, not too dark, but medium dark, something like this, okay?
My pencil can only do light and dark. My pencil can only do this color.
No, please follow me first, yeah? Follow me first, Ivo. This is the easiest one when you...
I'm following you, okay?
Yeah, color everything, please. Color everything, please, sweetheart. Maybe easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Also the flowers. People. What? You know what is Earth made of? I'm done.
Oh, make it a little bit more darker, please, Stefanka.
Okay. I should make it dark. Nothing too fancy here. Nuh-uh. Just darkness. Just a style of darkness. Yeah, just a style of darkness. You know that earth is made of really. Oh
Okay,
my
are you
God.
done?
I don't really hear it. The internet is so
Bad.
It's a little broken, aka I have no idea. I'm already done darkening it.
Okay, after I need you to use tissue to make it smooth. Okay, use tissue to make it smooth.
Oh.
I will take my tissue first. Wait.
Why are we doing the tissue style again? It's so easy. You just have to smooth it out so hard. Oh my gosh. And he's gone. Wait. Wait, do you see that something is moving at the screen? It's a paper.
All right, you guys need some tissue. Now I'm using my tissue now. Okay, I want you to use your tissue after this one. Okay, just a little bit like this.
Lovely.
Okay, after you use your tissue, now you shade it. You wipe it on your paper and you will see the magic that now the shading becoming more smooth and nice, okay?
I already see the magic.
Yeah,
I already see it too.
Make it
kind
more
of like a gray.
Make it more tidy, please, Stefanka, like this. Yeah, push it a little bit more harder.
I'm putting it as hard as I can. It's like you are cleaning a class. You have to push it hard. If you don't, then it won't be very clean.
Okay, now I get my shadows already. Now, we are going to play with the light now. Okay, this one is a little bit more scientific. This one is a little bit more scientific. You have to use your logic, okay? You have to use your logical thinking about this one, okay? Just pretending that the light is came from your right side, from this, maybe. This is the light came from. So it means that this area is supposed to be very light. This one's supposed to be very dark. Okay, ready? Now I will erase this area.
Oh, yes.
Okay, now I get my transparent glass now.
Where's my eraser not working?
Okay, I am now.
Ooh, it's bleeding. It's a super cleaner.
Yeah, something like that.
Move some of the areas. Ooh, it's a super cleaner. It's super. Okay, there we go. What do we do for the eraser again? Because last time I was searching for my eraser. Look, that is amazing.
Yeah, something like that. Good job. Now, Ivo, I want you to erase the light part.
Sir, what do we do with the eraser?
You have to erase the light part. You have to use your logical thinking. Where is the light came from? Okay, in my case, the light is came from this side. So just pretending that there is a torch here.
Like there is like the sun pointing at your shapes and stuff, you know.
Yeah, something like that. Okay. Just pretending that this is a flashlight or a torch. The torch is heading, pointing this area. So this area is supposed to be very, very
I think
wide.
I'm good at this.
And then, yeah.
Eraser working. Can I use your eraser?
Yeah, of course.
My eraser isn't working.
Yeah.
Sometimes
your eraser, give it to me.
It doesn't work too. Somehow.
Where's your eraser then? I don't have any eraser.
I already saw you with a black eraser, Kay.
I'm talking to the Fanka because he took my eraser, and then yeah, now I don't have any eraser. All right, now use your logical thinking here. This is the torch. This is the flashlight. The light is came from this area.
That means the shadow goes here.
Yeah, this one's supposed to be very, very dark. This will be very light. This will be very, very dark. That's why you need to use your pencil once again and make this area a little bit more darker. This one will change the way you think about the items, about the materials later on when you already know about this still life drawing, the shadow technique like this one. Okay, remember this is the light source. This is a torch or a flashlight, and the flashlight is pointing this area. Now the area becoming more lighter, and this is supposed to be very dark. Yeah, so light, medium, dark. I'm going to use my pencil once again to make this area a little bit more darker. Don't worry, after this one, you can blend it using your tissue. Something like this. Okay. Actually, this is the lesson for grade 6 or grade 5. But I believe that you guys are very smart, then you can you can understand what we are talking about. Okay, ready? Now we're going to use this one. Now I'm using my logic for my spear, this one. Maybe the light is came from this area. So I'm going to make this area a little bit more lighter, yeah, this one. So everything depends on where is the light came from. Okay, this one is very light, means that the opposite is supposed to be very, very dark. On this area, you need to make it more dark. This will change the way you think about the shadows, about the things later on. Okay, right after I create the light, the dark side like this. See that? I put this one dark and this one is very light, right? Dark, medium, light. So, but I still see the dark side, like there is a line between the dark and the medium side. That's why I'm using my tissue to make the blending area, the border between the dark and the light one is a little bit more hiding. The blending will be very, very smooth. Something like that. Okay, it depends on the light came from. In this case, the cubes, where you want to put the light, is it from the top, is it from the left or right side? Okay, up to you.
It's of course left. Maybe. When? Oh. Something like this.
Yeah, something like that. Now, Ivo, you need to use your pencil to trace it once again, the shapes of the items. Yeah, trace it once again, please. The ellipse line, because that one is still untidy. Okay, draw once again the ellipse and the line once again so that the item will look so clear later on. All right, for
Is
the...
it like this?
Yes, correct. Wow, you understand now. Thank you so much, Stefanka. I want you to retrace it again, the line, please. Retrace the line, please. Stefanka, where's Abia?
Oh, she's in my room.
Oh. I think later the daddy will come. Just ask Abia to go home because it's already Maghrib, you know.
Okay.
All right, now for the spear and the cubes, it's up to you, yeah? Okay, cool, yeah? See that? Nice, right? Okay, can you please draw another one, Ifo? All right, in this case, the cubes, I want to put the lights came from this side. The light came from this side. So this one's supposed to be very uh, light. Yeah, something like this. I erase this line. Like that. Okay, now since this one is behind the box, behind the this one, because it's covered by this area, so this item supposed to be very dark, because logically the light cannot touch this area. So this area supposed to be very dark. Like that.
Done.
You done? Okay, you want to present it now, Devanka?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Okay, you can present it. After that, you can go play with your friend. Ready? Hey, hold it properly, please. Hold it properly. Okay. Hi, my name is, yes, play something like that. Ready? One, two, go.
My name is Ivanka and this is my drawings.
Mm-hmm.
And here I drew a cylinder, a cube, a cone, and a vase. And I shaded them, and they have shadows.
Mm-hmm.
And I drew flashlights around here because, yeah, of the light. I'm here.
This light looks really realistic. The flashlight, really cool. Okay, can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson, Devanka?
Well, I learned how to make 3D shapes, forms, to make it short.
Mm-hmm.
And I learned how to make a shadow.
And then?
And third, I learned how to be patient because you need to be patient in here when you're tissuing it, when you're smoothing it.
Okay, thank you so much, Devanka. Now you can play with your friend. It's your freedom time now.
Okay.
Bye-bye, Devanka. I'm going to miss you, Devanka. Please don't leave, please. Please don't leave, please, God.
Wait, I'm in your home. I'm not gonna leave you anyway.
Thank you. Bye, Devanka. Oh, Devanka already left.
No, I haven't left yet.
Yeah, you can play with your friend. If you want to
Bye.
bicycle, go. You still have 1 hour before Maghrib, Devanka.
Bye, everybody.
Yeah. Okay, now who else wants to present?
Me.
Mm, No, I want you to make it to tidy up the line first. Ifo, tidy up first. Make it smooth. Use your tissue.
I want to do it.
Use your tissue to make it more smooth. Okay. Wait, Ruth. I want to see it first.
Who is it?
Yeah. Okay. You want to present it now?
Yes.
Okay, go.
Shadow pictures. What is it? So, I try to make shadows on these shapes like cone, a cube, and what do you call it? Fine, blah blah blah. So I learned how to make light with it, and I learned how to smooth it and make experience with it.
Okay. Can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson?
I learned not to make nonsense things.
Yeah, nice. Are you happy with the result?
Yeah, I'm just normal.
Just normal, yeah. Okay, now you know how to make a shadow, right? To create a shadow, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, Ruth, for presented. You can have a free drawing now. You can draw a gunboat if you want it.
Yes.
Yeah, draw a gunboat or something like that. Okay, who else want to present? Maybe we have.
But I
Oh,
want to do it slowly.
yeah. Okay, who else? Cute girl and Alithia. Who wants to be this next one? Cute girl, are you ready? Okay, cute girl, you may take your time now. I need you to present it more longer, okay?
Ready.
Like 5 minutes. Ready? Cute girl, one, two, go.
Hello, my name is Ifo, and this is my creation.
Wow.
So this is a sunlight. There we go.
Mhm.
As you can see, some of them is white because the light is producing light because light is very, very high color,
Mhm.
Black is the darkest and it's the strongest. If you mix all of the colors of the rainbow, it just makes an and black. Some of the people like them and some of them don't. And what I created is you have to take a pencil and make the base start first. Then you need an eraser and a tissue. The tissue is for helping you smooth out the darkness and like there's some dirt on the floor and you're just sweeping it out of the house and stuff. Yeah. I'm sorry, I needed. And you need to erase some of the pencil, whatever it is. I have no idea. The thing. And it's like the light is like shining in the picture and stuff. Yeah. And no, I'm just kidding. That's not the real part. The real part is that if you see the sunlight and it's shining to somewhere, you can see the place that has been shined. You know what I'm saying? Is white. So if you ever get a torch and some dark place, you can see that there is some white space, white space. And don't get confused by white and black. And yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ifo, for sharing. Okay, Ifo, what is the real challenging you? I mean, what is the very, very hard part of your drawing that challenges you?
Make a cylinder.
Cylinder, yeah. The cylinder is
I little don't like and I love it so much. Normal.
all right. Now for Ivo and Ruth, grab something in front of you. It can be a sharpener. It can be a bottle. It can
be a trophy.
be a trophy. It can be something that is really, really.
It can be a grape.
Yeah, you can draw a grape. You can draw a grape, Evo. I mean, Ruth. Yeah.
Or
Okay.
even the hair.
Yeah. Take something, grab something from in front of you, and put it on your table and start to draw it.
Or your iPad.
Yeah. And then you draw it, and then after that you erase it. I mean, you shadow it. You put shadow on it using the
You're gonna be commenting.
yeah.
I'm not really good at
Grab
artist.
something in front of you and start drawing. Okay. Try to find
And I need like
yeah.
this.
Try to find the non-living things, not the living one. Yeah. If you put cats, the cats will not be still. The cats will
And
move themselves.
still,
So you have to find
yes.
the still item, which is stand still or sit down still on your table, not moving anymore. I mean, not moving anywhere. Okay, now we have Tia. Tia, are you ready to present?
Yeah.
Okay, Tia, come on, you need to present. Everyone, please mute your mic. Okay, wait,
Go. Yeah, go.
wait, Tia, wait. I'm going to pin up your. Okay, go now.
What?
Hi, my name is.
Hi, my name is Lydia, and this is my drawing of life.
Tia, wait. I want you to sit clearly and loudly. Okay, not very.
Yeah.
Come on, do it. This is very fun. Ready, one, two, go.
Hi, my name is Lydia, and this is my drawing of illusions. I don't know what to call that.
Still life drawing. Still life drawing.
Or drawing.
Still life. Still life drawing.
Yeah.
Can you say it, please? Still life drawing.
Still like drawing.
Still life drawing. Good. And
So
then?
you can see that I have put some shades to it. There's a sun. Wait, over here there's a sun. And then there's some reflection. So I did some reflection on this cylinder. I did this one more darker and lighter, and one more lighter. And then this one the lightest part was this one over there. And then there's I don't know what you heard this one.
Cone. Or
Come, I got it.
cone or spear.
I'll call it a spear.
Mm-hmm.
It has like it has the white version. I mean the lighting version was over here, and the dark version is over here. And then over here, there's a box that has the lighting on the top. And then this box, another box, has the lighting on the side.
Yeah.
And also this cone.
Cone, yeah. Continue.
And this cone, the lighting is over here.
Wow. Wow.
I use a lot of
Can you tell us something that you learned from this lesson?
to make shadows
Mm-hmm. And
and lightening
that means, yeah,
and making like the shapes.
shapes, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much, Kakak Tia, for sharing with us. Did you found that this lesson is very hard or easy, guys?
It's pretty hard.
But
Because I had to it's because I had to do the tissue part.
okay then, yeah, I get your point, Tia. Thank you so much. Now, Tia, I want you to grab something in front of you. It can be bottles like this, maybe, or
It can be Not moving.
Like box like this, or maybe
Or a bottle that has
yeah, a
a cap.
bottle. You can use bottles and everything, and then you try to draw that item.
Pencil.
Yeah, try to
Or
draw the items just
this.
yeah. I prefer you draw the bottles, yeah, the frozen bottle, that one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah, and then start to color it using shadows later on. All right, now I'm going to check your drawing again next week. Okay, I want you to draw one item. It can be your doll, it can be your Barbie, it can be anything in front of you. It can be one
It can
item.
be a dog.
No, dog cannot because it will be moving somewhere. You cannot.
No, it's not a dog. It's a doll, not a dog.
I heard that to say dog, but yeah, it's okay. My ear cannot hear very
Doll, not
clearly.
a
Yeah, you can use your doll. At least anything that is stand still, which is not moving, it will be easier for us to draw that items. Okay, I want to check again your your drawing next week. You can draw one or two items or three items, up to you, as many as you can, but please color it using black and white shadows, pencil technique, the one that I taught you just now. Ya, mewarnainya harus pakai pensil, pensilnya harus dibikin.
Nothing else except
Ya,
for pencil.
pencil. Ya, the items can be one, two, or three, or five, or as much as you can. Put it in
Or
your.
10.
Yeah, and I'm going to check it again next week. Next week we're going to create something more difficult, which is connect. I mean, using another things which is a little bit more hard. Yeah, drawing your eyes, drawing two eyes, human eyes, nose and mouth later on. It will be
So
easy. I will.
cute.
Yeah, don't worry. It will be very easy. I'm going to give you a shortcut how to draw a nice eyes.
Just give
Yeah,
instructions, okay?
that's it for today. I don't want to force you in doing a lot of things. This one is still a new beginning for us. We're going to make it more harder next week. Okay, enjoy your day, everybody. See you again. Bye bye. Don't forget to draw the items. Yeah, don't forget to draw the item next week, Mr. I will check.
Okay, me and Ruth will work together.
Yeah, you can stay if you want. Okay, but Mr. Al will leave first. I don't want to give you a lot of burden things to do.
We stay with Ruth.
Bye bye, everybody. See you again next week. Bye, Kakak Tia. Bye. Wow, nice, Ruth. Yeah, something like that, Ruth. Oh, you color it, Ruth? You color it with the black and white?
Yes.
Can I see that once again, please? Guys, this is a good example. Wow, this is good. Yeah, I want you to do it like Ruth. Draw as many as item as you can, and then show to me next week.
Yes.
Ready? Bye bye, Ruth. You have to take a rest.
Wait,
Bye.
wait.
Yeah.
What a question. Do you think we can stay for a bit?
Yeah, if you want. You want to stay for having a chat with your friend, Ivo? Okay. And Kakak Tia juga ya. But for me, we have to do it little bit by bit. Yeah, I don't want to make you feel so overwhelming, like exhausting.
Not so strict.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kakak Tia and Ruth. You have to be take a rest. Yeah. See you again next week. Don't forget to draw as many items as you can. Okay.
Me and Ruth will work together.
Yeah.
Yay.
Thank you, everybody. Bye, Ruth. Bye. 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 Bye.